Hi, Jennery.
Hi.
We have chicken strips from McDonald's, bread from Mama's house, and McFlurry, Oreo McFlurry from McDonald's.
And Mom didn't get because I think she hid it from me.
What?
The Powerade.
No, I put it in the cup holder in the front.
Put your flash on.
No.
Oh yeah. We're here to pick my uncle up from the airport. Just put your flash on.
Don't do that.
Why? It looks good.
That looks like diarrhea.
Excuse me?
Yeah, Kasari. Like that.
Just up Ediayan Moga.
Diarrhea po ba mo? Diarrhea po ba diarrhea?
In.
Ipano.
Look. Look at my how much?
Minaw pepe. That's good enough.
You're right.
No, I'm not like this. No way. That's diarrhea already.
If you touch it, it is.
Look who's here tonight. It's the moon.
You can't even see.
It's the moon, guys.
Yo.